let's see how it's gonna be with this pretty good sized stump. And we'll go ahead and cut it. Hey YouTubers, this is Ben and thank you for joining us on the SEMPER GUMBIE channel. Today I'm going to talk about down trees or big limbs or obstacles that could be in your way if you're going off-road or just in general around the house. Last week I had a huge widowmaker fall down and I had to cut it up this morning. The Dewalt 12-inch 20-volt battery operated chainsaw. Let's go check this bad boy out. Decent size. As you can see, that this little chainsaw was able to cut through a pretty decent sized stump. The overall length from end to end on this chainsaw is approximately 24 inches. It's about 2 feet. It's pretty stout for a chainsaw this size. Widest point would be the carrying handle, which is about 8 inches in width. The chainsaw comes with a protective 12-inch cover to go over the chain. The unit has a handle that is reversible for left or right handers. The safety brake, you can engage it or disengage by pushing forward to stop, pulling back to engage it. The 20-volt battery is interchangeable with all the other accessories such as drills, lights, and vacuum and weed eater. The oil level is located on the front of the unit where you can clearly see through a white plastic sight glass. The belt tensioner can be adjusted on the right side by turning it clockwise or loosen it counterclockwise. So anyway, this has been, I want to thank you for joining us on the SEMPER GUMBIE channel today to preview the Dewalt battery operated chainsaw. It's a great piece of equipment to have. I highly recommend it. It's about $130 on Amazon right now is where I found the cheapest. But this tool is I use the most in my garage because I cut a lot of stuff. So just remember, subscribe and like, and remember, be SEMPER GUMBIE. Do you approve? All right, that's a good girl. Give me 5, Hoku. Give me 5 pounds. All right. Thank you. Seats.